Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to find the gradient of the given function. So this is the two variable function and we have to find the gradient at this point. So from this point, what we can write here? We can write that we have to put x is equal to 14 and y is equal to 0. So gx y is given. This is 20x e to the power y divided by x. So we know that if we want to find the gradient of g, so we can write this as gradient of g or del g. So we need to find the partial derivative of g with respect to x, I cap, then partial derivative of g with respect to y, j cap, then partial derivative of g with respect to z, k cap. Since the z element is not present here, so this term will become 0. So we will get only this term. So now we have to differentiate this g with respect to x. So what it will become? We have to use the product rule of differentiation here. So it will become e divided by y by x, then plus x multiplied by e divided by x divided by y divided by x, and y divided by x will be differentiated as minus y divided by x square. So if we will take e to the power y divided by x common, so what it will become? It will become 1 minus y divided by x, because this x will be cancelled to the power 2. So if we want to find del g divided by del x at this point, means 14, 0. So we need to put y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 14. So it will become e to the power 0. It will become 1 minus 0. So basically it is 20. Now we need to differentiate it with respect to y also. So del g by del y. So to differentiate it with respect to y, 20x is constant and e to the power y by x differentiation will be same, and we have to differentiate y by x again, so it will be 1 divided by x. So x will be cancelled, so it is 20 e to the power y divided by x. So if we want to find this is y divided by x. So if we want to find del g divided by del y at point 14, 0, so definitely it will be 20 e to the power 0 again, so it is 20. So from just the formula, the gradient of g x, y at this point 14, 0 is equal to, this is 20i plus 20j. So this is the gradient vector. This is a vector quantity. So basically the main role is of the partial derivatives, and we have to put the point accordingly, and we have to find the value. So here we can write it in the box as 20i plus 20j. So this is the answer. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is, link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.